X870 motherboards can get quite expensive, but they're generally the best choice for high-end Ryzen 9000 CPUs. While they lack the extra PCIe 5 bandwidth of X870E boards, that's not a problem for most users. If you need a well-rounded X870 board that enables high performance without the cost of an X870E board, the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk is an excellent choice. Compared to its predecessor, the X670 Tomahawk, this newer board refines the formula with USB 4 support, an upgraded VRM configuration, and a better UEFI/BIOS experience. It also introduces more PCIe 5.0 lanes, allowing for better future-proofing in both GPU and storage expansion. Design-wise, the X870 Tomahawk sticks to MSI's signature rugged aesthetic. It features a sleek black PCB with lime green, almost yellow accents. One thing that might throw you off is the complete lack of RGB, but that's par for the course for Tomahawk motherboards. It helps maintain a stealthy and industrial look that fits well in most builds. The board offers 3 PCIe by 16 slots, with the top slot supporting PCIe 5.0 for maximum GPU bandwidth. 4 M2 slots are available, 2 of which are PCIe 5.0, allowing for rapid speeds. MSI also includes a quick latch system for the top M2 and PCIe by 16 slot, making installations and upgrades much easier without the need for screws. Wireless connectivity is a strong point here, with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 providing next-gen wireless speeds and stability. You also get 5 gigabit LAN, which is a step up from the standard 2.5 gigabit Ethernet found on most motherboards in this range. For those of you who need high-speed networking when dealing with NAS, this is a great inclusion. The VRM setup consists of a 14+2+1 configuration, which is more than enough for a CPU like the Ryzen 9 9900X, even with moderate overclocking. While it won't compete with the extreme VRM setups of X870E flagship boards, it provides solid power delivery, keeping temperatures under control with large heat sinks and an optimized thermal design. In terms of memory support, you get 4 DDR5 slots that can house 256 gigabytes at 8,400 megatransfers per second with overclocking. Memory overclocking is solid with this board, as the expo profiles can be reached and tweaked quickly in the BIOS. Speaking of which, I highly appreciate the refined BIOS and UEFI interface, which makes navigation smoother and allows you to quickly tweak settings without frustration. Features like Easy Debug LED, BIOS flashback, and a clear CMOS button also enable quick troubleshooting. A major improvement over the previous generation is USB 4 support, with 2 Type-C ports on the rear I/O. Additionally, there are plenty of USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports on the rear. The main competitor to this motherboard is the Asus ROG Strix X870F. Both motherboards are similar in terms of reliability, performance, and features. However, the Tomahawk has 5 gigabit Ethernet and a lower price. You can justify getting the Strix if you're a fan of the design, but for nearly $100 less, the MSI board is the better value. While it doesn't have the absolute top-tier features of high-end X870E boards, the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi gaming nails the value proposition by focusing on reliable performance, essential enthusiast features, and a future-proof platform. To sum up, what I like is the strong VRM configuration, the stealthy and clean design, and the toolless M2 installation. On the downside, complete lack of RGB, and it's still a bit expensive for most users. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.